Hello everybody, my name is Captain Fructose and welcome to Universe Sandbox 2. This is a freaking awesome game. I have been playing it actually for a few hours. I just got it a couple of days ago. I've been playing it for hours and I've had way too much fun with this. So I'm going to share some of this awesome fun with you guys. So as you can see, what we're looking at here is the Earth. What you can see over here is, looks like the United States. Lights, Florida, eastern United States and stuff. It's our beautiful little planet of Earth. North Pole. Oh look, there's the South Pole. It must be winter in the Northern Hemisphere right now. And as you can see, we've got Mercury over here, Saturn, Venus, Pluto's over here. Clear out there though. And then the Sun. So, for the question of this video, of which it is entitled, what would happen if the sun just disappeared? What would happen to us here on Earth? Well, let me find out for you guys. We will all find out here. So, right now, the time interval is going at about 2.32 minutes per second. And we can speed that up a little bit here. So let's see here. We're up to 59. Oh, it's slow speed. It takes a minute for that to catch up. But about 1 hour per second. So to complete one complete cycle, it will take 1 minute for the Earth, according to the speed that we have it going at right now. So, and as you can see, like, there's snow up here, snow in the northern hemisphere, kind of down here in like Utah, Wyoming area, as per the usual for this time of year. But unfortunately, what is going to happen is the sun is going to disappear, because I'm magic. Alright, so we're gonna zoom out here. Earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars. So what will happen? What will happen? So I need to get my tools. Oops, clicked on the wrong button. And we're going to explode. Actually, I don't want to explode. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, we're going to explode the sun. Sun is gone. No more sunshine. No more sunshine. Sun is all gone. There goes some sun fragments. Oh wow, those are shooting out fast too. So now the sun has disappeared. If we click on Earth here, we can kind of watch our climate. So right now, average surface temperature is about 14.5 degrees Celsius. Whoa. Apparently we're getting light from the center of the galaxy or something. Now that the sun's gone. And as we watch this temperature, it's going to start dropping because there's no heat from the sun left. But are we going to stay in orbit anymore? Unfortunately, not. See this line right here? This predicts the path that the Earth is going to follow. Since there's no more sun, there's no gravity to keep us going around it. So we're just going to go shooting off into space somewhere. So, let's find out how long it's going to take. So the sun just disappeared about a day ago. So the date right now is November of 2014. So it is November of 2014. Holy crap, the temperature of Earth has already started dropping. We're at 13.8 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start speeding up time a little more. So 12 hours per second. And as you can see, we are off on a straight directory. Mars is going off that way. Where's the other planets? Venus is... Oh, wait, that's Sirius. That's... Okay. Where'd Venus go? Is it gone already? Saturn and Jupiter are heading off in random directions. Where did... They just disappeared. I have no idea where they went, but they are gone. Anyways, that's okay. So the temperature is still dropping here on Earth. And as you can see right here, you can kind of actually start you can actually watch the Earth start freezing over as it cools. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's already cooled down enough, so let's slow this down a little bit here. Well done. Da 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 da. So if you remember before, the snow only came down to about like right here, because it was winter time. Well, now the snow is clear down in here. Like, the whole average temperature of the Earth is cooling down. Like, there's still somewhat warm down there, but it's dropped several degrees, and the snow is already starting to make its way down in the United States, as well as over here in Europe. I mean, look at this. All of Russia is covered in snow. A lot of China is covered in snow. Europe, a lot of Europe's covered in snow. As you can see right there, I mean, most of Europe's just covered in snow. The top of Africa here is starting to get covered in snow. Like, and it's starting to freeze over right here. Water is starting to condense out of the atmosphere at this point because it is getting colder, and colder air does not retain as much moisture as warm air. So, but actually, I don't think the sea levels are gonna rise. Oh, they rose a little bit just because it condensed out of the air so fast. So as you can see, like, a lot of Florida's underwater. A lot of small islands are gonna be underwater until it starts freezing over some more. We're at 8.25 degrees Celsius so far, as far as the average surface temperature. So let's speed up time a little more here. 23 hours per second, so almost 1 day per second. As you can see over here, the temperature is continuing to drop on our poor little planet. Now, I don't know why, but there's a light source, which there wouldn't be if the sun did disappear. Well, we'd be able to see the stars really well. So, there would be somewhat of light, but probably not this much. There wouldn't be day and night as we know it. Probably be more just like nighttime all the time. So, and our temperature is continuing to drop. We are down to 4.84 degrees and dropping quickly. But we still have lights, so technically we're still alive on Earth. And we haven't, I'm sure there's been quite a few deaths, unfortunately, contributed to the global drop in temperature. But on the bright side, we don't need to worry about global warming anymore. Alright, so let's see how the snow's looking here. Oh, geez. Africa's starting to get covered in snow. North America still has a few lights. The snow is getting down almost to Florida now. Yeah, look at that. Holy crap, yeah. Texas is getting snow. Louisiana is getting closer. It actually looks like a lot of that's underwater now. Wow, there's a lot of Alaska's underwater as well. Is there snow in Hawaii? Look at this. Look at this. Are you seeing this? There is snow on Hawaii. It's so cold it's snowing in Hawaii. Holy crap. But there are still lights. You can see India and China, and I think that's Japan. Wow, and Africa and Afghanistan and all that fun stuff over there. But unfortunately, the entire planet is cooling off and getting cold because we have no sun left. So we'll speed this back up, give it a little more time. 4 days per second. As you can see up here, it's cooling down very rapidly. Okay, so we are out below freezing average temperature on our planet now. So if we look here, a lot of Africa has snow all over it. There's snow clear down to India here. Like, all of this is starting to freeze over. Like, all the water up here is completely solid. Let's see, speed it up a little bit so we can take a look at the United States as well. Alaska, like, you can't even, like, you used to be able to boat up through here with boats and stuff, but now it's all ice. And Antarctica is growing. Can't see, though, because it's apparently winter time, according to this. But all the way up through here is all covered in snow. There's snow there. Almost all of the United States is covered in snow. Snow everywhere. It's turning into the Hoth system. It's turning into Hoth. Freezing cold everywhere. We are actually below freezing as an average temperature on Earth now. So we'll continue cooling. And if you watch up here, you can see the ice is slowly starting to come down. Make its way down towards the equator. You can actually see it right here too. As it spins, it's like slowly making its way down from the northern hemisphere. Alright, let's slow this puppy down for just a little bit. Our planet is becoming unrecognizable. So there's the United States there. Alaska, you can't even really tell where Alaska is anymore. You can kind of see like the bottom-ish here in some of these islands. All of the United States is covered by snow. Central America, South America is all covered by snow. The tip of South America is actually almost contacting Antarctica now. Because it's frozen, and it's cold, and it's getting colder. Because we have no sun. We're just shooting off randomly into space. Where's Saturn? Oh, there goes Venus. Mercury shooting off that way. Mars is going off that way. Yeah, Saturn's going off that way. Oh, whoa, sun fragment. Uranus. Or Uranus, however you want to pronounce it. So, our planet is freezing over more. There still looks like there's a little bit left of the Great Lakes up here that haven't frozen over yet. But we'll find out here. Continue the acceleration. And the ice is creeping down more and more. Our poor planet is freezing. Our average surface temperature is now negative, 100% negative of what it normally is. And look at that, it's freezing all up through here. All that is ice. You can't even tell, like, it's just like flat. It's becoming a frozen tundra wasteland. We'll spin our planet a little bit more. There goes Jupiter off in that direction. Bye, Jupiter. It was nice knowing you. Whoa. It's going down. You can see the ice is continuing its path downwards. Our planet is freezing. There are still a few lights on. But our planet is continuing its freeze. Oh, we've got ice coming up from the South Pole now. Alright, let's slow it down. That's all that's left. Right there. And, oh, there's a little bit right here. What am I looking at? I think this is Europe. Or Asia. That's Asia. Europe's over here, I believe. Looks like there's still some lights on in South and North. There's still some in North America, too. Let's see here. Yep. And there's the Atlantic Ocean, which is basically pretty much frozen solid. Here's what's left of the United States. As you can see, there's not much left. It's all frozen over. California is right in here. Utah, if any of you live there. New York's somewhere over here. Florida's somewhere down here. It's completely covered by snow and ice now. And this is only poking out because of the mountains. Really big mountains. The rest of this is all flat area. Which is why you can't see anything there, because it's just a big ball. So we're at negative 30 degrees Celsius as an average temperature for our planet, which is why the oceans are basically frozen over. So if we go a little bit farther, and that is it. So, let's see here. We'll just continue. Well, no, stop. Okay, so we started November of 2014. It is now July of 2016. And our planet is completely frozen over. The average temperature, surface temperature of our planet is now negative 33.9 degrees. And we are shooting off in some random direction into space. And we're just going to turn into a little ball of ice. Basically, all the water is going to freeze. And we'll just keep dropping temperature because there's no star to keep us warm. So, yeah, that is basically what would what would happen if the sun just disappeared on us one day. We'd go shooting off into space, and our planet would cool down. It looks like it would only take about 2 years, a little less than 2 years, to completely freeze over. So we wouldn't have very much long. Once the sun went out, it'd be perpetual night, and temperatures would drop extremely quickly, and we'd turn into a giant ice ball, and we would have to live like they do in Star Wars on Hoth, under the ice, where hopefully we can generate heat to keep ourselves alive and keep ourselves from freezing. But that's about all I have time for this video anyway, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. And yeah, and then make sure you subscribe so you can keep track of any new videos I upload. I upload usually between 2 and 3 a week. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with any new videos. If you do want to see more videos of this game in particular, leave a thumbs up and I will make more. The more thumbs up I get, the more I know people like this video, and I will make more of this game. But anyway, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful adventure, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.